sort of at least take this format, y equals mx plus b, which I think everybody at this level really understands. The only things that have to be numbers are m and b, because m is the slope or the rate of change. Some of you think of that as change in y divided by change in x. There's lots of ways to think about that. And then b is the y-intercept, or some of you call that starting point. So those are the things that we need numbers for. So let's just do one example. Let's say that you knew that a line passed through the points 1, 3, and negative 5, 15. So negative 15. So you know it's going to be a line, and you know it's going to pass through those 2 points. So you could think about, what that line looks like. So I don't have to graph it, but I can think about what the line looks like. So 1, 3 is right there, and negative 15 is going to be somewhere down here. So you can see that, oops, that line has a positive slope, and I can see a few things about it. But remember that in my equation I'm looking for 2 things. One of them is the slope, or the rate of change, and then the other thing is the y-intercept. And I intentionally drew a really super bad graph here so that we can't tell what either of those is by looking at my graph. But we can tell what the slope is if we look at the points. So what I'm looking for is the change in y. So I see that y is negative 15 and then y is 3. So it must go 15, 16, 17, 18. And one way to get that is to think about, 3 minus negative 15 if you want to do it mathematically. And then change in x over here. I see that for that one, I have it starts over here at negative 5. It goes all the way up to 1, which means it goes 5, 6. Or again, you can think of that as 1 minus negative 5. So change in y over change in x is going to be, change in y was 18 over change in x was 6. 18 over 6 is 3. So now I have to look for the b part where it crosses over, and my line is so horrible there's no way I could tell by looking at that, so I'm going to have to use a different strategy. So far I know, but I also have these 2 points that were given to me. So points are always written for x and for y. So I could just pick one of those points and use it for my x and my y. I'm going to pick the point 1, 3. So x is going to be 1 and y is going to be 3. And I'm going to plug those in. So instead of y, I'm going to write 3. I found out m was 3 before. And instead of x, I'm going to write 1. And b is the thing that I'm looking for. So now I can just solve this problem. 3 equals 3 plus b. And so apparently b is nothing, it's 0. So my whole equation altogether is going to be 3x plus y equals 3x plus 0, or just y equals 3x. You can go to the next video for another example.